Hey, all you Shasta Thunderbirds, this is Mr. Cottle, and I'm here to talk with you briefly about something very important. In case of an emergency, we will need to do a fire drill. So, to do that, we want to make sure we've practiced, we know what we're going to be doing in case this emergency does happen. We do hope it never does happen. We do want to be ready just in case. So, we are going to be talking about, just for a few minutes here, why we have a fire drill, how do we do it safely, and where do you go if you do have a fire drill at Shasta? So, first, we have fire drills because we want to make sure you're safe. With that, we want to make sure that you know how to exit the school safely. And it helps in those situations that you are able to react and know where to go if that does happen. So, how do we do this safely? Always make sure, even when you're outside, that you have your mask on. Always appropriately social distance yourself from others. Walk through the hallways, especially when you're doing the fire drill. It's going to be very important that you follow your teacher. Your teacher will be leading you out of the school, so please make sure at all times you are following your teacher and you're following their direction. They may ask you to go this way or move here. So please make sure you're always attentive, listening, walking quietly, and following the adult direction. Now, where do you go during the fire drill? So, at the end of this, you're going to have a map that is specific to your grade level. All students will be going through a designated location out to the softball fields. That is where it is a safe place for you to be. Now, to get there, you're in the classroom, let's say, and the fire drill goes off, a fire alarm goes off. Teachers will be asking you to line up in the classroom. So you will line up, again, appropriately distanced with your masks on. Your teacher will be at the front of the line and they will be leading you out to the designated area in the softball field. Sixth grade will be back by the small gym. Seventh grade will be coming through the middle by the main gym. And eighth grade will be going around the front of the school to the softball fields by the main gym as well. You should never be in front of your teacher. Again, you're following your teacher at all times. And you will follow the designated path to your safe location. While again you're walking, it is very important to remember to wear your mask and appropriately social distance. Now, when you get out to the softball fields, you are going to continue to remain in your line. You do need to face away from the school, so your back should be towards the school. Your staff will be taking attendance there. They're just trying to ensure and make sure all students are accounted for before we give them the green light to turn around and return back to class. Once it's all clear, we'll let you know. You would turn around and you are going to, again, follow your teacher to your classroom. And just after we're finished this presentation, your teachers are going to be going through with you the route that you would be taking to get to the softball field safely. Thank you very much for listening. We hope this is helpful and will answer your questions around what to do in case of an emergency. Again, we hope it never does happen, but we do want to be prepared. So thank you for taking this serious and listening to our presentation about fire drill safety at Shasta.